Hello, little friends. Guess what? Today, we're going on an adventure with Mittu. Mittu has a special backpack full of surprises. Let's see what's inside.
Hello everyone! I brought my backpack today. It's full of fun shapes and colors. Let's open it together. Are you ready? Let's see what shape is first. Oh, what's this? I pulled out something with 5 sides from my backpack. Wow! It's a pentagon. Can you count the 5 sides with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pentagon is purple, just like a flower. Can you say pentagon? Great job. Let's look at soccer balls. They have pentagons on them. Let's see what else is in my backpack. Let's see. I feel something long and straight. It's a rectangle. This rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's red, like an apple. Can you say rectangle? Wonderful. Rectangles can be doors or even books. What else can you think of that's a rectangle?
Good thinking, Mittu. Rectangles are everywhere.
Time to reach inside my backpack again. What shape will it be this time? Oh, look at this. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a hexagon. And this hexagon is blue, like the ocean. Can you say hexagon? Did you know bees use hexagons to make their honeycombs? They sure do. Let's see what else is in my backpack. I feel something special. Whoa, this one feels curvy. What could it be? Let's pull it out. It's a crescent moon. This crescent is yellow, just like the moon at night. Can you say crescent? This one feels interesting. It's a trapezoid. This trapezoid is green, like the grass we play on. Let's say trapezoid. Yay! Trapezoids can be on rooftops or signs. Have you seen any trapezoids around you?
Wow, Mittu. Your backpack is full of cool shapes and colors.
It sure is. But we're not done yet. Let's mix some colors from my backpack. Now, I have some colors inside my backpack. Let's mix them. What happens when we mix red and blue? Wow, it makes purple, like the pentagon we saw earlier. What if we mix yellow and blue? We made green, just like the trapezoid. Colors are so fun to mix. You all did an amazing job today. My backpack is empty now, but I'll fill it with more fun shapes and colors for next time. Keep looking for shapes around you. See you soon.